This is a car amplifier. This is a car amplifier. Now I am going to repair it. This circuit cannot make the voltage 12 voltage to 35 voltage need. It cannot work. You can see these two are diode. This is the voltage 12 voltage. This 4 MOSFET, 2 MOSFET for one side, another 2 MOSFET for another side. This is the coil transformer. This 2 diode, and this is the amplifier section. This is the amplifier section. 2 transistor makes 1 amplifier. 2 transistor, 1 amplifier. These 2 transistor, 1 amplifier. Now I am going to connect the voltage. The middle is the switching voltage. This is the positive voltage. Positive voltage. No voltage direct go to the main positive voltage. Middle is the switching voltage. This voltage comes here in inverter section, and the black one is the ground voltage, negative voltage. Now I am connecting the voltage. I am going to check the voltage first. This MOSFET makes hot. For this case, I have to check here first. This 2 diode. Here we will make 35 voltage using 12 voltage. Here will be 35 voltage. Positive and negative voltage for the amplifier. Now I have to disconnect the voltage from the amplifier section. This MOSFET makes for the short voltage. I have to disconnect the voltage from the DC voltage, amplifier voltage, disconnecting amplifier voltage. This voltage goes to amplifier. I am disconnecting from here. If any problem in the amplifier section, then the MOSFET makes hot. Now I am going to disconnect the voltage. I am cutting the print. For this case, voltage cannot go. Disconnecting negative and positive voltage. I am disconnecting negative and positive voltage. This type of amplifier circuit diagram has in the comment link. If you want this type of amplifier circuit, visit the comment link. Now check again. this MOSFET don't make hot now. Now I'm going to check the voltage. Only 9 voltage. Why is the 9 voltage? It should be around 35 voltage. Let's go to check this MOSFET first. We have to check the MOSFET first. I have to take out the MOSFET from the circuit, and I have to check this one. I am disconnecting the MOSFET for the check. Now I am going to check the MOSFET. This is the negative MOSFET. This MOSFET is okay. This MOSFET is okay. This one also okay. This one also okay. It's also okay. I have to check the voltage for the MOSFET. The negative voltage should be half or lower from the direct negative voltage. If minimum say 60% lower voltage need for the gate. The gate voltage should be minimum 60 voltage lower. I'm going to check the gate voltage. This is the positive, no, not this one, positive. It's not. This is the positive voltage 15. This is positive and this is negative. The MOSFET source voltage is full. The drain no voltage. Source voltage full 15 voltage. Source voltage 15 voltage. Gate voltage 10. That means okay. Gate voltage 10. If gate voltage full 15, then problem. Gate voltage is okay 10. Main voltage 15, gate voltage 10. Gate voltage 10, source voltage is 15. That means it's okay. If source voltage and gate voltage is same, then it's problem. But gate and source are different. That means its amplification inverter section is okay. Inverter section is okay. Now I am reuse that MOSFET. Problem is the another part. I'm going to check. Wait for a while. What is the problem? This is the second MOSFET. These two are one section MOSFET, one MOSFET, two are one MOSFET. This one another, this one another MOSFET. It's the another MOSFET. This is last one. This MOSFET I fixing back. Now I am going to check the diode. Maybe this diode problem. Maybe this diode problem. Now I am going to check the diode. It's okay. This one okay. Another one. Another one is also okay. It's okay. No short, it's okay. Now I have to fix back the diode. Before fixing the diode, need to check. Now here a symbol. This is positive. Comes here. Here will be the diode, the positive diode. It's the positive diode. This is the positive diode. The diode goes to middle, positive middle. This is negative side. Here is the negative, comes here. This one, first one is the negative diode. This one first one negative diode, but showing positive diode. This is the negative diode, should be negative diode, but its symbol showing positive diode. Maybe here was the problem. It's showing negative diode, but it should be positive diode. Showing negative diode. Here is the problem. Here was the problem. The sign problem. The sign is wrong. For this case, I follow the capacitor leg. Here was the problem. For this case, the voltage cannot make. The diode was wrong. I fix the diode. Now I have to check the voltage again. Maybe it's okay now. The problem was in the diode symbol. This is the new amplifier circuit. Now voltage is okay. Voltage is okay. Now need to reconnect the PCB print. Which print I cut? At which print I disconnect? Here is voltage okay. I connect the, now I'm going to connect the voltage again. If it's okay, then the amplifier is okay. Now I'm going to check and reconnect it. Now I reconnect the PCB print. Which print I cut before? Which print I disconnect before? Problem was in the diode. If you want this type of amplifier circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There you can get this type of circuit diagram. There are card circuit diagram in the comment link. Card circuit diagram in the comment link. Connecting again. Thank you for watching for today. Next part is coming soon. Wait for it. Maybe it will be okay after connecting the voltage. The problem was in the diode. That was wrong. The sign is the wrong. Thank you for watching. Please visit the comment link for the circuit diagram.